Hello, first grade. It's time for some math workshop together. We only have a few more weeks of school. I can't believe it's already June. All right, let's get started and take a look at our PACS vision. Today, we are going to work on having our positive math attitude. We're going to be respectful to our moms and dads or whoever's helping us learn at home this week. We're going to keep on trying if the math gets hard, and we're going to be brave, take risks, and try some new strategies. And I do have a really cool new strategy to show you today. So today we are learning to add and subtract facts quickly. Okay, so we want to try to know our facts, snap fast. We are also learning to use a story to solve the problem. We have a few more story problem practice this week. And this is a cool strategy I was telling you about. We are learning to add numbers by using the add 10 fact strategy. I'll show you more about that in a little bit. We're going to be doing all of this work in Unit 6, Module 4, Session 2, using pages 99, 100, and 50. All right, let's get started, friends. All right, first grade, here is our math packet for the week of June 1 through June 5. On this first section, we just want you to practice those math facts. These are all addition, so we want you to add quickly. If you know it in a snap, you don't even have to show your work. We just want you to add and write the total. So for example, 5 plus 5, I know you guys know that one is 10. All right, 5 plus 4 or 4 plus 5. Go with a fact that makes sense in your head. If you know that 5 plus 5 is 10 over here, then you should use this to help you over here. If 5 plus 5 is 10, then 5 plus 4 is just 1 less because 4 is 1 less than 5. So 1 less than 10 is 9. Go ahead and pause the video and finish that work up right now. All right, first grade. Number 2, we want you to practice that same strategy of being a snap-fast mathematician, this time with subtraction. So we want you to think about these facts and knowing them snap fast. You might be able to use what you know about addition to help you solve these problems. So for example, we have 9 subtract 5. Well, in the addition section, we had 4 plus 5 was 9. I'm going to use what I know about addition to help me with subtraction. If 4 plus 5 is 9, that means that 9 subtract 5 is 4. All right, let's try one more. 10 subtract 0. That means you take away nothing, so it's going to stay 10. All right, first grade, pause the video and finish that practice now. All right, first grade, let's take a look at problem number 3. It's a story problem about some penguins. Let's use the story to solve the problem. There were 5 penguins behind the hill, 4 penguins on the ice, and 10 penguins in the water. How many penguins in all? First grade friends, I want you to draw a picture to show your thinking. Your picture might look something like this, a quick sketch. Here's my hill. I have 5 penguins back there. Here's my ice. I have 4 penguins. And here's my water, and there's 10. I have 3 parts that I want to add together. I wonder which ones you're going to snap together first. Write an equation and show your thinking. Pause the video and solve that problem now. Okay, friends, we have another story problem. This one says, see how many penguins are standing on the ice? Half as many penguins are swimming in the water. How many penguins are swimming? How many penguins in all? This problem has 2 parts, and we need to study the picture. The first part says, see how many penguins are standing on the ice? Quickly count these penguins and decide how many are on the ice. Great counting. Next it says, half as many are swimming in the water. That means that if you know how many are on the ice, if you cut that amount of penguins in half,
That's how many are hiding in the water. Go ahead and solve that part now. Great thinking, first grade friends. Below, they give you a lot of great space to show how you thought about that problem. Now they want to know if you know how many are on the ice by looking at the picture and how many are in the water, half as many as on the ice. Can you now figure out how many are all together? Go ahead and pause the video and solve that problem now. Write your answers on the line below. All right, first grade, this is the new strategy I was telling you about. This is called the Add 10 Fact strategy. They want you to use these double 10 frames to help you solve the problems below. So they have a great example here for you. The problem is 8 plus 4. Now they're saying that 8 plus 4 is the same as adding 10 and 2 more. Well, you guys know we've been working so much with the number 10, and the reason we do so is because adding numbers to 10 is really a good strategy. You guys are getting so fast at knowing 10 plus 8, 18, 10 and 3, 13, 10 and 5, 15. All right, so let's see how that can help us here. If we have 8 and 4, they've already added the first 8 dots in black. Now it's our job to draw 4 more dots, but we want to fill up this 10 frame first so that it's really easy for us to see 10 and more. So they drew 4 more in gray, and now it's really clear to see that this is a full 10 frame, so that's 10. And then we have 2 extras, or 2 more, 2. So 10 plus 2 is SnapFast 12. It's the same as 8 and 4. Let's try one more together. So they want us to add 9 and 6 and figure out it's the same as 10 and what. So here I go. I'm going to see that there's already 9 dark dots. I'm going to quickly draw 6 more, but I'm going to remember to start right where the arrow is so I can fill up that first 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, SnapFast first grade. I can see this 10 frame is full. There's the 10. And what's my more? It is 5. So 9 plus 6 is the same as 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5, that's a SnapFast fact for me, and I know the total is 15. First grade, please pause the video and finish those problems now. All right, guys, we have some more problems that we can use our new strategy, Add 10 Fact strategy. This time there's no 10 frame. All right, if you feel like you still need a math tool for this strategy, your Reckon Rec would work really well. Or you could draw some dots like a 10 frame. I'm going to use what I know about 10 to help me solve these problems. 9 and 4 is the same as 10 and what? Well, I know enough about 10 to know that 9 only needs 1 more to be 10. So I'm going to borrow 1 from my 4 and move it over to my 9. Now I know that my 9 is a 10. And how many left do I have over here? 3. It's the same as 10 plus 3. 10 and 3 is a SnapFast fact for me, and I know it's 13. All right, first grade, let's take a look at this number, this part here, part B. 9 and 7. Can you think how many would you borrow from 7, give to the 9 so that it's a 10? How many would be left over? Go ahead and solve the rest of these problems now.
Wow, way to go, you guys. Nice work. How are you feeling about that Add 10 Facts strategy we've been practicing? I hope it's helpful for you. I can't wait to see your work. Don't forget to send us a picture. Mrs. Bauman, Mrs. Larson, and I love to see all of your great math thinking. Have a good day, friends. Bye-bye.